Hey friends, it's Ann from What's Up Family Home, and today I have another collab for you. And this one is with Meaghan at My Maine Kitchen. And she's a new YouTube friend of mine. And she asked everybody if they wanted to do a virtual cookie swap. And I love cookies and I love Christmas. I love everything about Christmas, and I love cooking and baking and everything around this time of year. And I just got back from a Christmas parade. It was so cold out there, but it was so fun. Got the grandkids out there. And I got my new shirt from Sam's Club, and I'm glad I wore it because it was really cold. So, but I am ready for Christmas. I'm ready to decorate. I haven't decorated yet, but this is going to be the start of my Christmas making these cookies, and I'm excited. And it's real easy to do. I'm just going to use some store-bought cookie dough. You can make your own if you want, but I'm just going to do some real easy and simple cookies, and they're really fun. So I will have Meaghan's channel linked below, as well as the playlist, because you'll get some really good cookie recipes, because these are some great cooks. If you're coming from Meaghan's channel, I just want to say welcome, and I hope you'll like and subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for all your support. I really appreciate it. So I will turn you around and let's get started on the video. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take the almond bark, and I'm just going to put a little bit of shortening on there. It made the biggest difference. It was so smooth and easy to work with. And I just made some peanut butter crackers, just on some Ritz crackers with some regular peanut butter, and I just dipped it in the almond bark. And you can do anything with it after you do that. I use sprinkles on mine just to make it a little bit easier. And I put them on that wire tray. Don't do that. They got stuck. But they were real pretty. I really liked them. Just put some sprinkles on them, and that's it if you want to do it that way. And then this way I put some marshmallow cream in there with the peanut butter and mixed that up together. I saw that on one of the recipes. So I thought that would be maybe make it a little bit sweeter than just the regular peanut butter. But I like just peanut butter because I don't really like them that sweet as much as everybody else does. But you could probably put some powdered sugar in there as well. But there's no limit to what you can do. And instead of putting it on that wire tray, this one I tried putting it in a muffin cup, and it worked a lot better. And you'll see, well, you won't see it, but when they stuck, I put mine in those as well after I got them off of that metal tray, and you can't even tell that they're messed up on the back. So I just did some more, and I'm going to decorate them, or try to decorate some. I'm going to make some reindeers. All I had was the sticks instead of the round ones like I've seen on the internet, so I just went ahead and tried this way, putting the pretzels in there. And I did kind of mess it up a little bit down there at the bottom where I put my finger, so next time I'll wait until they're really hardened. And you can put them in the freezer and they'll harden up really well. And I had some of those eyes that I used for Halloween, so I went ahead and tried to find those, and I thought that would be cute to put as their eyes. I mean, you can do anything with it, but I should have got some small M&Ms, and I could have put a red nose on there. But I do have the regular ones, but the mini ones would come in handy, especially when you see the other ones that I'm doing. I wish I would have gotten some smaller ones, but they were still cute. I would have made more of these little Rudolphs, but I didn't have enough red M&Ms, so I just made a couple. But those were cute, and that one I made a smile, but it was, I kind of messed up the icing a little bit. But I think they turned out pretty good. And this one I'm going to make, or I'm going to try to make, this is where I wish I would have had some smaller M&Ms, but it looks like an ornament, and I had a little bit of peanut butter that stuck out, and it looks just like the top of the ornament, so it worked out really good. Okay, these were just sugar cookies that I mixed up, and I dumped some sprinkles in there, and now I'm just putting some M&Ms on there. They were really good. Doug had one for breakfast, and he said they were really good. I had one last night. It was delicious. And now I'm going to do my last cookie. It's kind of like a melted snowman, but this one was tricky. This one was the trickiest one. I had to cut these at an angle to make the head, and decorating the head, that was just the worst part. I've got those other cookies that I had before that I put the M&Ms in, and I'm just icing those, and they were really good all by themselves. But I thought I would use the rest of these in this cookie instead of making some more sugar cookies. And I just took that icing and made a face. That was really tricky, but this one looked a little bit better than the other one's face. But I just put a little bit of icing there to put some more M&Ms down for the buttons, and I did it a different way the next time, and just went ahead and put those down first, so I didn't have to do this step before. So I just took some of that black icing, which is so tricky to use, and I drew some arms, which I'm no artist, but these look better than the second one I did. So they each had their own faults, but I'm sure they'll still be delicious. But next time I will use some sprinkles like in the photo that I saw online that I used for this. So it turned out really cute though. The other one though, it had its good points and its bad points. That face, I tried attaching a little red sprinkle for the nose, but it kind of looked more like a clown than a snowman, and I did the worst arms on this one. So they turned out really good though. I thought they were cute. I haven't decorated for Christmas yet, so I wanted to dress up my little cookie station, so I just grabbed some things out of the garage and a couple candles. I think it looks pretty cute. And these cookies were really good. I had those sugar cookies with the sprinkles, and those I really thought were cute as well, and in my little plastic tub, and I've got like a Christmas towel in there. But these turned out really good, especially those with the M&Ms. And for not having a lot of talent in baking, or I didn't bake much anything, but I thought they turned out really cute. So I enjoyed this, and I want to thank Meaghan for hosting, and go check out her channel. I'll have her channel linked below, as well as the playlist. And be sure you check Meaghan's channel out and all the other ladies in the collab, because I know you're going to get some great cookie ideas, and I can't wait to watch theirs as well. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy